Hi scientists, Professor Beakerz here. Today we are talking about our winter science. That's right. We can also call it Christmas science or the spirit of science, whatever we want. We're gonna have fun. Make sure you have your instruction card, tells you everything you need. Make sure you have mom, dad, or another adult because we don't do experiments alone. Come back in a minute. Okay, scientists, we're going to start with a snowball fight. That's right. We are going to use that air force we used last time. And you're going to do it by making a little vortex generator. That's right. I put up a video to show you how to make it. So once you're ready, we're going to get started. The way we do this is we pull the end of our balloon, and believe it or not, some strong air comes out. You can see the effects of air if you go outside on a windy day. You can feel it too. Let's see if we can see the effects of this air force. You can go ahead and set up cups and see what happens. I'm going to try to knock one down. Ah, pretty strong, right? Oh. Let's try that one again. You can tape it if it keeps popping off. Let's try. Ready? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Let's see if we can use that air force for our snowball marshmallow fight. Almost. Come on! Let's do this marshmallow. Nope. I'm trying to hit the cup, not you, I promise. Okay, let's try this again. I think it was the air, not the marshmallow, but that's okay, we did it. High five, guys. Are you ready to make your Christmas ornament? Go ahead and get your instruction card. It'll tell you how to do it, but I'm gonna do it with you. And we're gonna try to create a static snowstorm. Get your beads. They're already charged. I'm sure you can tell they're sticking. We're gonna put them into one part of your globe and then snap them together. Okay. Yes. Go ahead and use that friction again to get the static going and see what they stick to or jump to. Hello. Doggo? Doggo? Professor Beakerz? Okay, take your globe and now we're going to try to create a snowstorm. We're going to charge our balloon and our beads and see if they like each other. Oh, I think they do. They're jumping. A little more. Oh, that one jumped over here. See what you can get it to do when you charge. Maybe you're more staticky than me. Go have fun, guys. Okay, scientists, let's make the spirit of Christmas using static electricity. So get your balloon and get your styrofoam cup. Remember, static electricity, it's a charge, and some objects have a positive charge and some have a negative. Opposites attract, so positive and negative charges will attract to each other. If they are the same charge, they will repel from each other, just like with magnets. I don't know if you've played with magnets, but they have a positive and negative charge. If you put positive and positive together, no matter how hard you try, they're going to push or repel each other. We want to see what this does with your styrofoam cup. So go ahead and get your charge again. Here we go. Is it moving it or is it attracting it? Let's see. Is it repelling it? It looks like it's pushing it away. I'm gonna try to get more. Ah! Oh, I moved it that time. Okay, what about this marshmallow? Yeah, nothing. Okay. You guys can try different objects in your house with your crazy mad scientist hair. Okay, go have fun.